Welcome, dear soul. Today, we focus on reducing stress, calming the mind, and restoring inner peace with powerful affirmations. Affirmations help your subconscious release tension and invite serenity into your body, mind, and spirit. You may repeat them aloud, silently in your mind, or simply absorb the words as they flow over you. Let them bring balance and calm to your day. Take a deep breath in, and slow releasing breath out, and let's begin. I am calm, centered, and at peace. With every breath, I release stress and tension. I choose thoughts that nurture my inner peace. My body and mind relax completely and effortlessly. I let go of worry and embrace peace of mind. Peace flows through me with every heartbeat. I am safe, supported, and secure. I release all tension from my body and mind. I invite calm, balance, and peace into my life. I am in control of my emotions and reactions. I deserve to feel relaxed and at ease. My mind is quiet, clear, and focused. I release anxiety and welcome calm energy. I am grounded, centered, and connected to the present moment. Every part of me vibrates with peace and harmony. I trust life and surrender to inner calm. I create a safe space within myself for serenity. I am resilient, balanced, and at peace with life. My thoughts are gentle. My mind is still. I am relaxed, calm, and restored. I choose to speak to myself with kindness. I replace critical thoughts with words of encouragement. I am deserving of love and happiness. I embrace my imperfections with love. I seek out experiences and relationships that nourish my soul. I shine brightly with love and positivity. I embrace my imperfections and recognize them as unique aspects of me. I am proud of who I am becoming. I take pride in my personal growth and my unique journey. I am grateful for the person I am becoming. I am more than enough. I acknowledge the positive changes and growth within me. I am a valuable person. I am proud that I can deal with my stress with compassion for myself. I know I am the creator of my life and know I can cope with whatever life throws at me. I am at peace with my past and look forward to my future. I find strength and balance in my life's journey. I am learning to love myself more and more every day. I allow myself to feel my emotions without judgment. I understand that each emotion is a natural and necessary part of being human. I allow myself to nurture my self-love. I am a magnet for positive healing energy. I only attract good and positive experiences into my life. Every day brings a fresh new start. I will not allow self-doubt or judgment to hinder my progress. My journey is about progress and not perfection. I celebrate each small step as a victory in my journey. I am capable of overcoming obstacles. I have inner strength and creativity to navigate through challenges. I am capable of seeking support when I need it and do not see this as a weakness but a strength. I deserve to be treated with love and respect, especially by myself. I set healthy boundaries and maintain self-esteem. My struggles do not define me, they reveal my inherent courage and resilience. My heart is open to receiving and giving love. I am a work in progress. Every day I am evolving and growing. Take a deep, nourishing breath in and let it out slowly. These affirmations are now part of your being. Repeat them daily to release stress and invite peace into your life. Remember, you are safe. You are calm. You are at peace. Thank you for spending this time nurturing your mind and spirit. Return anytime you need to reconnect with your inner calm.